UPSC prelims exam 2020, some important question banks or expected MCQs for general studies GS paper first. This is a series, question bank series, some expected MCQ series for preliminary examination 2020. It is a part 1, part 2 till date, the examination date. Okay, so if you are not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel to get the notification timely. It will be good and also help to improve your performance, improve your confidence and accuracy in the examination by practice again and again some important MCQs. We have covered these MCQs from The Hindu, Indian Express, PIB, Yojana, Kurukshetra and some important government websites, because government initiate or government announce the schemes as per departmental schemes. Okay, so please subscribe the channel. Let's begin. Question first. Consider the following statements. Bharat Market. Statement first. It is a one-stop national public procurement portal to facilitate online procurement of common use goods and services. It is a incorrect statement because it is a one-stop national public procurement portal to facilitate online procurement of common use goods and services, but for home delivery also. Okay, it is not for online procurement, it is provide the home delivery. So statement first is incorrect. It said online procurement, it is home delivery also. ठीक है. Second statement, it also provides the tool of e-bidding and reverse e-auction to facilitate the users achieve the best value of their money. Okay, but this statement is also incorrect because it also provides the tools of e-bidding and reverse e-auction to facilitate the government users. Okay, it is only for government users, not for all the common and government users. It is for all the government users. So that's why this statement is also incorrect. So D is the correct answer. Neither 1 nor 2. D is a correct answer. दोनों statement गलत है. Here it is the explanation of this question. You can make the notes through these explanations. You can make 4 or 5 lines, some short or summary notes to revise during the examination time, before the examination time. Question second. Consider the following statements about Bay of Bengal boundary layer experiment. Bubble. BOBBLE. Okay. इसका नाम काफ़ी चर्चा में रहा है. It is in news recently actually. Bay of Bengal boundary layer experiment. BOBBLE. It is a joint India-US project. No, it is not a joint project of India and US. It is a joint project of India and United Kingdom, UK. Okay, so statement first is incorrect. It seeks to examine the impact of ocean process in the Bay of Bengal on the monsoon system. It is a right statement, correct statement. So statement first is incorrect and second is correct. That's why answer is B. B is the correct answer. It is a India UK project, not India US. It is India UK project. So correct answer is B. ये एक्सप्लेनेशन है इसका, इसको आप पढ़ लेना थोड़ा. Next, consider the following statements. During the El Nino, the Pacific warmest surface waters sit offshore of northwestern South America. ओके, आपने अल नीनो, ला नीनो इनके नाम सुने होंगे. But El Nino is a climate cycle in the Pacific Ocean with a global impact on weather pattern. Okay, what is El Nino? El Nino is a climatic cycle in the Pacific Ocean, not in Southern America, Northwest Southern America. It is in Pacific Ocean and it is a climatic cycle. So statement first is incorrect. The location of tropical storms shifts westward during El Nino. ये करेक्ट है. अल नीनो के टाइम पे जो ट्रॉपिकल स्टॉर्म्स है वो वेस्टवर्ड शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं, ये सही है. ड्यूरिंग द ला नीनो, waters of tropical eastern Pacific are colder than normal and trade winds are weaker than usual. ये it is also a correct statement because during La Nino the eastern Pacific feels colder than normal days. Okay, so there is also an opposite of an El Nino called La Nino. Okay, La Nino is opposite to El Nino, it is opposite, and it refers to times when waters of the tropical eastern Pacific are colder than normal and trade winds blow more strongly than usual. Okay, so these are not a weaker, trade winds are stronger than usual. Okay, more stronger than usual. So here it is, the C is the correct statement. With reference to non-aligned movement, consider the following statements. Non-aligned movement is the second largest platform globally in terms of country membership after the UN. हाँ, ये करेक्ट है. It is a correct statement because non-aligned movement is an idea that emerged in 1950. Non-aligned movement is the second largest platform globally in terms of country membership. कितने कंट्रीज से जुड़े हुए हैं, मेंबरशिप ले रखी है आफ्टर द यूनाइटेड नेशंस. इट करंटली हैज मोर देन 120 members. The Asian African Conference of 1955 held in Bandung was the catalyst for the establishment of non-aligned movement. Okay, so statement first is correct. The Asian African Conference of 1955 held in Bandung was the catalyst for the establishment of the NAM. ये भी correct है. The actual formation took place in Singapore, where the non-aligned movement was formally established by the leader of 25 developing countries in 1961. ये correct है, 25 countries in 1961, but the actual formation took place not in Singapore, it is in Belgrade. Okay, so statement third is incorrect because it took place in Belgrade, not in Singapore. Singapore is incorrect. So first and second statements are correct. So B is the correct answer. Next, Consider the following statements. The Earth's magnetic field has reversed every few 100,000 years. The Earth's magnetic field has reversed every few 100,000 years. ये करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. ओके. Second, magnetosphere contains the Van Allen radiation belts. This is also a correct statement. When living organisms originated, they modified the early atmosphere of the Earth. This statement is incorrect, because when living organisms originated, they did not affect the early atmosphere, because they lacked the ability to do so at their initial phase. Early atmosphere of Earth was modified by solar winds, okay, not by living organism. When they originated, the early atmosphere of the Earth was modified by solar winds. Okay, this happened not only in case of the Earth but also in all the terrestrial planets which were supposed to have lost their primordial atmosphere through the impact of solar winds. So statement first and second are correct, third is incorrect. C is the right answer. This is the right answer. ये एक्सप्लेनेशन है स्टेटमेंट वाइज. आप यहाँ से कोई डाउट है तो यहाँ से पढ़ के और क्लियर कर सकते हैं अपने डाउट्स भी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. कंसिडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स. इकोसेंस, ये बायोसेंसर दैट कैन डिटेक्ट द नोवल कोरोना वायरस इन सलेवा सैंपल्स have been developed by Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, Pune. Atulya, the microwave sterilizer have been developed by researchers from the National Institute of Animal Biotechnology, Hyderabad. Okay, so इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, यूपीएससी कई बार so many times did this because EcoSense, no doubt a biosensor that can detect the novel coronavirus in saliva samples have been developed by Defense Institute samples. Okay, but it is developed by National Institute of Biotechnology, Hyderabad. Okay, so EcoSense is developed by the National Institute of Animal Biotechnology, Hyderabad. And Atulya, ये माइक्रोवेव स्टेरिलाइजर, it is developed by the Defense Institute of Advanced Technology, Pune. Okay, ये थोड़ा उल्टा कर रखा. That's why both the statements are incorrect. ठीक है. इकोसेन हैदराबाद, अतुल्य पुणे. Okay, so answer is neither 1 nor 2 is correct. D is the correct answer. Here it is. Next question. The Global Climate Risk Index 2020 was recently released by okay, so the Global Climate Risk Index 2020 was recently released by German Watch. It is a international environmental think tank. German Watch recently released the Global Climate Risk Index 2020. okay, ये जर्मन वाच से जर्मनी में मत पहुंच जाना. इट इज़ ए इंटरनेशनल एनवायरमेंटल थिंक टैंक, जर्मन वाच. ओके, ये याद रखना. यूपीएससी इस तरह के रिपोर्ट्स पूछती है, इंडेक्स रिपोर्ट्स वगैरह 2-3 पूछ लेती है हर साल. व्हाट आर द की फाइंडिंग्स ऑन इंडिया? यू कैन रीड हियर. Okay. Next question. Consider the following statements. Vayu, wind augmentation purifying unit. It is an air pollution control device which can purify air in an area up to 5 kilometer. Okay. It was developed by Environmental Pollution Authority as a part of technology development project. So इसके बारे में आपने सुना होगा, अभी कुछ टाइम पहले जो इंडियन क्रिकेटर रहे हैं हमारे गौतम गंभीर, उन्होंने दिल्ली में उनका जो पार्लियामेंट्री एरिया है वहाँ पे ये लगाया था वायु। चाइना में लगे हुए हैं काफ़ी। ये एक्चुअली क्या है, एयर पोल्यूशन को कंट्रोल करते हैं। दिल्ली में एयर पोल्यूशन काफ़ी रहता है, उसके लिए ये चालू किया था गौतम गंभीर ने, उन्होंने लगाया था पहला। बट इसमें क्या है कि ये विच कैन प्योरीफायर एयर इन एन एरिया अप टू 500 मीटर, नॉट 5 किलोमीटर, अप टू 500 मीटर, 500 मीटर तक प्योरीफायर करता है। ओके, सो स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट इज इनकरेक्ट। सेकंड, वायु इज डेवलप्ड नॉट बाय एनवायरमेंट पोल्यूशन। ओके, ईपीसीए ने डेवलप नहीं किया है। वायु इज डेवलप्ड बाय काउंसिल ऑफ साइंटिफिक एंड इंडस्ट्रियल रिसर्च, नेशनल एनवायरमेंटल इंजीनियरिंग रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट as a part of technology development project, and it is funded by Department of Science and Technology. Okay, so इसको फंड प्रोवाइड करवाया है डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी ने, एंड इट इज डेवलप्ड बाय द CSIR. ओके, CSIR, नेशनल साइंटिफिक एंड इंडस्ट्रियल रिसर्च, नेशनल एनवायरमेंटल इंजीनियरिंग रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट, CSIR ने डेवलप किया. सो बोथ द स्टेटमेंट्स आर इनकरेक्ट. डी इज द राइट आंसर, नीदर वन नॉर टू. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, consider the following pairs. Okay, national park and rivers flowing through these national parks. Corbett National Park, Ganga River. काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क, मानस रिवर. साइलेंट वैली नेशनल पार्क, कावेरी रिवर. सो कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क, it is a Ramganga, the Ramganga river flowing through the Corbett National Park, not Ganga. Ramganga, which is the tributary of Ganga. So this is incorrect because Ramganga river flow through this national park. Next, Kaziranga National Park, the river Brahmaputra flowing through this national park, not Manas. Manas is a tributary of Brahmaputra. So Brahmaputra river flow through the Kaziranga National Park. So statement second is also incorrect. Silent Valley National Park, Kaveri, it is Bhavani river. Bhavani river flows through the Silent Valley National Park, and Bhavani is a tributary of Kaveri. Okay, so यूपीएससी इस तरीके के क्वेश्चन बहुत बार पूछा हुआ है. ये पुराने ईयर्स के पेपर से एनालिसिस करके क्वेश्चन बनाया है. आपको कन्फर्म क्लियर हो गया होगा कि रामगंगा रिवर फ्लो थ्रू द कॉर्बेट नेशनल पार्क, ब्रह्मपुत्र रिवर फ्लो थ्रू द काजीरंगा नेशनल पार्क, एंड भवानी रिवर फ्लो थ्रू द साइलेंट वैली नेशनल पार्क. Okay, so all these statements are incorrect. D is the right answer, none of the above. Here it is the explanation. Next question, consider the following statements. The area lies along a patch where the Nalavagu and Dende river merge. This area is dominated by Changchas, ye scheduled tribe. In 2017, the endangered species of mouse deer was introduced here. it is an important clue. Mouse deer. Second important clue is Nellavagu and Dende river. Those rivers merge. Okay. So first one, if we talk about all these tiger reserve, the mouse deer, scheduled tribe, and these both the rivers are merged. So if you read about the rivers of India, physical geography of India, आपको थोड़ा आइडिया होगा. सो इसका आंसर है अमराबाद टाइगर रिजर्व विच इज इन हैदराबाद. अमराबाद टाइगर रिजर्व लाइज इन द नल्लामला हिल्स. ये लैंडस्केप दैट इज रिकवरिंग आफ्टर 2 centuries ऑफ डिग्रेडेशन बाय द ब्रिटिश एंड द निजाम ऑफ हैदराबाद. It is a mystifying landscape of lofty hills and valleys, ये perennial rivers and exciting winds roads that have thick forested topography on one side and deep and vast valley on other side. Okay, it is India's second largest tiger reserve, next only to Nagarjun Sagar's Serasalam Tiger Reserve. Okay, so Amrabad Tiger Reserve is the second largest tiger reserve, next only to Nagarjun Sagar Serasalam Tiger Reserve. It is dominated by the Chenchos, a scheduled tribe who are less affluent and are the most underprivileged group in Telangana. In 2017, Telangana Forest Department for the first time has reintroduced mouse deer in the forest of Nallamala in Amrabad Tiger Reserve. Okay, hope you understand. Here it is the explanation. You can read and make the notes. Best wishes for your exams. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.